Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use content aware extend tool to extend your background. So let's start it. So I have background with sand, so this is black sand, and so I need to increase the size of this image. So I crop it like this. Yeah, great. So now I need to fill this white part. So to do that I have to go to brush tool, click on here. You can, when you click a little bit longer, you will see this kind of menu. In here there has content aware move tool, so click on it, then select mode as extend, and selection type should be first one, and mode is extend, not move, and structure 7, color 9, I don't care about those stuff, and tick sample layers. After that you have to go to rectangle marquee tool and select some matching place, so I will select this part. After that I create new layer. If you want, you can create new layer. If you don't want, if you want to extend this in same layer, just select your layer. So after that I click on content aware move tool and I move it like this, and like this, and press enter. After that it will be connected. So tada, it's connected. It's hard to find which part we connect. If we show it like that, so it's really hard to find which part, where place is connected. So this is really important tool when you work with long banner or some long image. So let's go to second image. So in here I'm going to extend this ocean, so ocean or beach. So as like before, I extend the image like this, and I select the image and I select it like not like, yeah, like here. After that I go to my content aware move tool and extend it like this, but the beach is not connected. Let's try it. I hope it will work, but I'm not sure. So let's see. Yeah, it's beautiful and it's connected, so we have to connect it again. So do the same again. I will select something like this, then content aware move tool and move it like this. So when you move it, check it, same, check it both, say both areas same like this. So if it's not same, it will hard to join these both images. So that's another great one, and also we have to do it again. So let's get something like this, and let's get like this, and content aware move and like this. Tada! It's working. Done. Okay, nice. So this is the video. I hope you enjoy it, and if you want videos like this, feel free to subscribe, comment, and leave a comment, and yeah I will see you in next video. Bye.